बच्चे पूछते कि दिस ईयर इन 2026 क्या एमबीए वर्थ है, क्या एमबीए का जो एक ग्लैमर था इज इट स्टिल देयर या फिर हमें कुछ और ढूंढना चाहिए.
Should I do an MBA? My question is going to be why not? And what else do you have? Is there any other option that you are looking for?
Should we be actually joining colleges like SIS?
Right.
Because when there is a buzz about IIMs and other colleges, yada yada yada, Instagram live and YouTube live, something like that. तो Gen Zs would love to know कि अगर MBA करना है तो क्या हम tier 2 tier 3 में जा सकते हैं, and if yes, then why?
And SIS students are the kinds who like building brands. They are not necessarily only the kinds who want to float with the high wave. They are the kinds who like to be anchored, build it, and then rule it, which means
Right.
you start understanding how business functions.
True.
That's what is going to happen at SIS.
Okay.
Which means you're not only going to learn in the classroom, you're going to push you out of the classroom.
That's
And we're
nice.
going to push you out of the comfort zone. You look at several CXO level positions today, and you go back a little and look at the institutions that they have studied in. Not all of them are coming from tier 1.
True that, very
Not
true.
all of them.
Right.
Like somebody said, you're number 2, you work harder.
Hi guys, welcome back to this director series and आज मेरे साथ है दीपा मैम. दीपा
Deepa.
मैम is director at SIS Business School.
Yes.
मैम आज थोड़े से मैं आपको स्टेटअप क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा. ये जो सवाल है ये बच्चे पूछते हैं and I get those questions day in day out and this is coming from them. I'm only representing them.
Sure.
So don't mind, okay? मैम पहली चीज ना बच्चे पूछते कि this year in 2026 क्या एमबीए वर्थ है, क्या एमबीए का जो एक ग्लैमर था इज इट स्टिल देयर या फिर हमें कुछ और ढूंढना चाहिए. व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दिस मैम?
MBA is certainly worth it. In my opinion, if you ask me, should I do an MBA? My question is going to be why not? And what else do you have? Is there any other option that you are looking for?
राइट.
And when I'm asking this, I'm asking it very clearly because an MBA offers you a platform which grooms you, nurtures you, connects you with industry, offers a live learning environment, offers you enough time to fail, succeed, try your hand at entrepreneurship, try your hand at finding real-time projects. Tell me another ecosystem that does all of this.
Yeah, that's right. Because I've seen freshers also getting 15 lakh, 17 lakh, 18, 19, 20 का
Yeah,
package
this year has been 17.5 at
for
Federal
SIS.
Bank. Yeah.
Very nice. We're going to talk about that even in detailed manner.
Sure.
So yes, भाई अगर MBA नहीं करना है तो और क्या कर सकते हैं? You can probably put the comment and let us know. Ma'am, my second question to you. As far as MBA is concerned, a lot of people feel that कि करना है तो क्या sort of exposure हमें मिल सकता है? Should we be actually joining colleges like SIS?
Right.
Because when there is a buzz about IIMs and other colleges, yada yada yada, Instagram live and YouTube live, something like that. तो Gen Zs would love to know कि अगर MBA करना है तो क्या हम tier 2 tier 3 में जा सकते हैं, and if yes, then why?
See, I genuinely believe that the outcome of an MBA education is not only on the basis of what level the institute is, etc. Of course, it's important to know what they do, what is it that they offer, and what's been the legacy. But it's a joint venture.
Agreed.
It's also about what the student does.
Agreed.
So you can
Agreed.
land into a tier 1 institution and you can go on a snooze mode, and that's not really going to help anyone.
Right.
Okay, and we can
Right.
see that happening around us. Thinking that a stamp is going to resolve my life's journey. That's not going to happen. Second, you look at several CXO level positions today, and you go back a little and look at the institutions that they have studied in. Not all of them are coming from tier 1.
True that, very
Not
true.
all of them.
Right.
Like somebody said, you're number 2, you work harder. So nothing wrong in going to an institution that really offers you that ecosystem to study in. And I think SIS has a right mix of legacy, right ecosystem, and fantastic connection with the industry.
आई थिंक मैम ये जो है ना ये पॉइंट थोड़ा मिस हो जाता है कि बच्चों को लगता है कि अगर मैं MBA में जाता हूँ सो आई गेट एवरीथिंग इन एन ऑटो मोड, एवरीथिंग विल कम ऑन अ प्लेटर. बट आई थिंक ये पॉइंट हम कहीं ना कहीं मिस कर जाते हैं कि बिकॉज टुडेज कॉम्पिटिशन इज सो वास्ट कि हमें भी बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करना जरूरी है.
Absolutely.
सो मैम जस्ट टेकिंग दिस क्वेश्चन लिटिल अहेड.
Yeah.
सो जो भी बच्चे ये वीडियोस देखेंगे राइट, दे माइट बी इंटरेस्टेड टुवर्ड्स लेट्स से SIS, दे वांट टू अप्लाई.
Sure.
एट द सेम टाइम दे आल्सो वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आज अगर मैं SIS ज्वाइन करता हूँ 2 साल के बाद मेरा करियर कहाँ पे होगा, क्या एक्सपोजर मिलेगा, मेरी पर्सनालिटी कैसे डेवलप होगी, मुझे
Right.
क्या क्या एवेन्यूज यहाँ पे एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए मिल सकते हैं.
Right.
एंड मैन व्हेन वी लुक एट यूट्यूब एज एन अरीना ना, बहुत अलग अलग बच्चे होते हैं. कुछ एकेडमिकली बहुत साउंड होते हैं, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर वाइज होते हैं, उनको इवेंट करना पसंद है, कुछ
Right.
एनजीओ करना पसंद करेंगे,
Right.
एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. सो
Right.
यू हैव बीन ऑन दिस डायरेक्टर का शिप फ्रॉम लास्ट 1.5 year नाउ.
Yes.
मैम दो चीजें हैं, आई वुड लव टू अंडरस्टैंड आपने क्या चेंजेस करे हैं. लास्ट ईयर हमने वीडियो करे थे.
Sure.
एंड व्हाट्स इन द किटी फॉर दीज स्टूडेंट फॉर द नेक्स्ट 2 years, अगर ये 2026 में ऐसा ये ज्वाइन करते हैं तो. सो अगर आप हमें वो थोड़ा सा एक रोड मैप बताओगे, सो आई थिंक दे विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ऐसा इसमें मुझे क्या मिलेगा.
Okay. So I think the best part of SIES is it over in the last 1.5 year at least certainly, and over historically also, it has always provided a great learning environment.
Okay.
Okay, it's had great faculty, both balanced from industry as well as internal. So academically, for those who are, really interested for the rigor part of it, I think there's more and more evidence if you look in the past, especially if you look at the alumni base, you will understand that the academic rigor has been there. Without that, it would not have been possible to build a legacy that we have. Okay, if you ask people about SIS, they're certainly going to come back and tell you that this is the place where we've learned some of the best lessons in our life. What has changed in the last 1.5 year, I think, comes from a fact that industry is expecting a lot of hands-on work.
Right.
And in the last 1.5 year, we have built in a lot of industry engagement pieces
Okay.
into the entire learning experience. So right
Okay.
into the second trimester, which is about 4-5 months, students are working on real-time problems given by industry persons. They could be entrepreneurs, they could be MSMEs, they could be SMEs, or they could be mid-sized organizations.
So these are SIPs or live projects?
These are live projects. This is not an
Very
SIP.
nice,
So
very
imagine
nice.
4
Okay.
months, you've got your basics in place. Also, Gen Z wants to learn hands-on.
हाँ.
Okay. So as a institution which has to work with a different generation, what is happening at SIES is our method of teaching. Pedagogy rules today. It's not only about what you know, it's about how are you conducting that learning. And industry is telling us every day, I want conceptual understanding, but I want application.
Yeah, that's more important.
Correct.
Right.
So how will this application happen? It's going to happen only if you practice more and more in the real world.
True that.
So your problems don't have to be 100 crore problems. It can be a small problem for a mid-sized enterprise, but you get hands-on.
Okay.
And the most important thing you learn in that exercise is whatever you learn, and when you try and apply that, there are going to be hurdles. There are going to be failures. And something unexpected is going to really work wonders, which means
Right.
you start understanding how business functions.
True.
That's what is going to happen at SIES.
Okay.
Which means you're not only going to learn in the classroom, you're going to push you out of the classroom.
That's
And
nice.
we're going to push you out of the comfort zone.
Perfect. So, ma'am, for the fact I know that a lot of people from Maharashtra, they know SIS. उनको पता है कि legacy क्या है, हमें भी पता है. We've been there. हमने journey देखी है.
Yeah.
But I wanted to talk more about SIS.
Right.
Alumni base हो गया, industry connect हो गया. Which all brands in the market are really banking on SIS? मतलब placement भी आप थोड़ा बहुत cover कर लो, because I want my audience to understand that it's a Mumbai based brand. Which itself is the biggest advantage, to be very honest.
Absolutely.
But अगर मेरे बच्चे नॉर्थ में बैठे हैं, साउथ में बैठे हैं, I also want them to understand that SIS, how big is the brand, let's say in Mumbai or Maharashtra state. So if you can give us a little idea so that they can understand.
See, first thing is, if you're going to want to follow rankings, etc., then you can go and look at it.
Right.
So usually SIES comes in the top 20 institutions for the PGDM or the pharma programs that we have. Pharma program, in fact, we are usually number 1 or number 2 in most of the rankings. So this is across, different business magazines, etc., that keep doing their own bit of audit. That will help you understand. But I would say that, if you're asking for the distinctiveness that students outside should know
Right.
about SIES, first things first is that this place gives you a lot of exposure to real-time industry persons. I think that is a very big plus point.
Okay.
And the plus point comes because of this legacy factor. A lot of times people say, so what if I'm a new institution, I have X and I have Y. Absolutely, nothing wrong in that. But with 25-30 years of experience, what I have is alumni who are in the industry
Right.
at CXO, GM, marketing manager, and just newly joined. And I
Right.
have a direct
Right.
plug into that system,
Right.
which we actively use. I have a mentor mentee program which allows every single student to be mentored by an industry alumni person.
Okay.
No exception. Every single student has an industry mentor.
And that's for the 2 years completely.
Absolutely.
Wow. Nice.
The second thing for an outsider to also learn, or people who know a little less about SIS, is the culture that we have at SIS, which gives you exposure not only to industry but also a large number of societal challenges.
Okay, such
Over
as?
25 years, we've also had a very strong NGO immersion program. So all the students of SIS have actually gone and worked with an NGO in the past. They have volunteered their time and brought out the learning. So last year, let me tell you, students worked on problems which involved women empowerment related matters for senior citizens, for underprivileged children, for animals, and we did a study with them on what did you learn from this experience, and then we mapped it to what the World Economic Forum wants people to learn for careers in the future.
Okay.
And there was such a big correlation between the two. Learning to work collaboratively, learning to work in teams. Of course, technology and all is going to be there, but how are you going to function real time? Are you having enough competency to build systems? All these things are is something that we have taught students apart from learning how to function in an organization, learning how to function in society.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I think that also has a huge role to play in the humility that industry comes and tells us
Okay.
SIA students have. And SIA students are the kinds who like building brands. They are not necessarily only the kinds who want to float with the high wave. They are the kinds who like to be anchored, build it, and then rule it.
Okay. Also, just to add one more point, why SIS, 10 लाख में आपकी MBA हो जाएगी.
Oh, yes. Oh, I didn't mention that, but right, you're absolutely right. Actually, making financial sense today has become very important. We constantly read about a lot of students burdened by high fees, the pressure that they feel, the parents feel. I think SIES offers one of the best ROI is one of the best ROI friendly institutions.
No, why I made a mention is because जब आपको ये सुनेंगे आपने जो भी कहा,
Yeah.
and when they understand कि यार ये 10 लाख में मुझे इतना exposure मिल रहा है, I think that's where they'll understand the value.
बिल्कुल.
So हाँ, वो भी एक note down करना.
And
But
it's 10 lakhs for 2 years.
हाँ, it's 10 lakhs for 2 years. हाँ, ऐसा नहीं कि 10 lakhs per annum तो दो नहीं. So
Yeah,
it's like
because
10
there are
साल.
others who do.
Right. 10 लाख भाई 2 साल का. So I think that's still good.
Yeah.
Ma'am, next question. Is it true that SIS has no cutoffs for like CAT, ZAT, MAT, CMAT, CET?
Yeah,
And,
it's true.
But ma'am, why? You guys are doing so good.
हाँ.
आपके numbers भी बहुत अच्छे हैं.
हाँ.
What's the theory or your psychology as a leader
Yeah.
to not have any cutoff?
So very clearly,
Huh.
we have an institute which has a cohort size that is 120 for my PGDM.
That's it.
Yeah, and
Okay.
90 seats for my pharma.
Okay.
And 30 for my biotech. So I'm looking at 210 students.
Right.
And I'm looking at 210 fantastic individuals. I am not looking at 210 fantastic test takers.
Right. Oh, that's a good point. Yeah. Makes
Right?
sense.
So, and today students take in multiple tests. They take CAT, they take XAT, CMAT,
Right.
so on and so forth.
Right. Right. Right.
So when they are allowed to take multiple tests, everybody is giving them an opportunity to do well, right? So why should I not give them that opportunity? And
Okay.
I'm picking an complete individual.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it. Okay. So it's not only the cutoff or percentile, interview, etc., etc. And ma'am, what's the admission process this year? Any changes?
So students can apply, and everybody who applies will get a call for group discussion and personal interview.
Wow.
Of course, you have to meet the basic
Right.
eligibility of graduation
Right,
and all
right,
that,
right.
but you apply, you will get a call for GDPI.
दिस इज गुड. तो यार देखो, आपके पैसे बर्बाद नहीं होंगे कि फॉर्म भर दिया और अगर कॉल नहीं आया तो क्या.
Absolutely.
So you will get a chance to appear for GD and PI, and
Correct.
if you prove your mettle, you might as well get selected also.
Correct.
So look at from that perspective. So thank you so much, ma'am, for covering that. Ma'am, now $1 million question. सब सही है मैम, सब अच्छा है, प्लेसमेंट बताओ मैम. और आगे कैसे प्लेसमेंट होंगे, इस साल का भी क्या चल रहा है, कितने बच्चे प्लेस्ड हैं.
हाँ.
तो आई होप यू वोंट माइंड कवरिंग दैट बिकॉज दिस इज
No.
अगेन फॉर स्टूडेंट्स ओनली.
No, so if I'm telling you the ROI is great,
या
I can't only talk about the denominator. No, I have to
Right.
also talk about the placements. So placements have been good even this year. Yes, it has been slower. If I say that the economy is not having any impact, that would not be right. It has. So what has happened is organizations where they are picking 5, they are picking 3.
राइट.
In some cases, the organizations have increased the packages also. They are picking lesser, but they are paying better.
Okay.
That has also happened.
Okay.
Here the advantage is we have a cohort which we have handpicked as complete individuals. So
Right.
therefore my overall package, the average, my fees is 10 lakhs, my average package is about 9.7 lakhs.
तो 100% ROI बन जाता है फिर.
And my pharma program, the fee is 9 lakhs.
Okay.
And there I have a average package of about 7.5 to 7.8.
Not bad.
So that's the kind of averages we are talking about. If I have to look at the type of companies that are coming on on campus, so if you look at banks, you have the Federal Bank, you have an ICICI, you have HDFC. If I'm looking at consulting firms, you have Deloitte, you have KPMG, you have Ernst and Young. Then you have a Marico coming in, you have a Legrand coming in, you have a GEP coming in.
Wow.
You have a General Mills coming in. The job profiles that SIS students are getting is pretty rich.
Is it?
Yes, the quality of the profile that I'm noticing that SIS students get is very good.
So here, if I may
And
ask you,
even for
yeah.
pharma, we have almost all the leading, you have a Pfizer coming in, you have Cipla that recruits for summers. Then you have, if you take the top, pharma companies, there is an AstraZeneca.
मैम मान लो अगर किसी को पीजीबी कोर नहीं मिल रहा है, आई मीन पीजीडीएम कोर नहीं मिल रहा है, तो वो बंदा अगर फार्मा में जाता है तो वहां से फिर वो सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग ले सकता है, फार्मा में प्लेसमेंट मिल सकती है, बिकॉज़ योर फार्मा इज रियली गुड.
Yeah.
You talk really high about it. तो अम्ब्रेला प्लेसमेंट में फायदा होगा या फिर फार्मा को फार्मा में ही जाना पड़ेगा?
Actually, the PGDM pharma and biotech students, both of them want to largely get into pharma and healthcare and consulting companies.
बट मान लो मुझे फार्मा का बैकग्राउंड नहीं है मेरा, बट
We don't take non-pharma in the pharma.
अच्छा वो क्लियर किया. अदरवाइज वो बैकडोर एंट्री हो जाता.
No. PGDM pharma and biotech, I think I have 98% of my students are B.Pharm students, and remaining 2% are science graduates
Right.
of different categories.
राइट, बिकॉज ये क्लियर करना
And
जरूरी
they're all
क्यों था.
coming from the best of the best pharma
कॉलेज, यूजी
schools.
कॉलेजेस.
Yeah.
बिकॉज में बच्चे ना थोड़ी खुरापाती दिमाग लगाते हैं, फिर वो कहते हैं मैं पीजी पे अगर मेरे को नहीं मिलता है,
हाँ.
मैं फार्मा जाता हूँ और वहां से फाइजर में जाके सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग करता हूँ, क्योंकि फाइजर तो कोर वाले को भी उठाएगा. तो आई थिंक दैट्स नॉट गोना हैपन हियर.
No.
Cool, ma'am. So I think 17.5 is the highest package that we're looking at. Ma'am, last question for the day.
Sure.
Where do you want to take SIS next 3 years, 4 years, 5 years? What's the vision for SIS, ma'am?
See, the vision for SIES is very clear. We are looking at also building a lot of niches within the existing programs, which will continue to deliver value. So we have recently started a PGP program in logistics.
Okay.
Going forward, we might integrate that into a full-time, full-time program as well. So we will pick niche areas where we want to, foray into the market.
Okay.
And I think that is what will really differentiate our students, increase the amount of industry engagement.
Thank God. I thought you were increasing the amount of fees.
No. And also increase friendliness with technology. See, one of the challenges that most business schools face is the students who are coming in, while they use technology, if they have to actually learn it, there is a good number who are wondering how do I do this.
Okay.
So we are looking at finding ways of making this merger happen better.
Okay. Ma'am, last question for the day. I mean, just an advice. You know, a lot of students have given CAT, JAT वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. तो मैम हर एग्जाम में ना कुछ ऊपर नीचे होते रहता है. You know,
Absolutely.
कम स्कोर पे ज्यादा कट ऑफ, ज्यादा स्कोर पे
Sensex
ज्यादा
इतना हो रहा है तो
Right. So what's your piece of advice to the students
yeah.
who are yet to get their calls
हाँ.
from B schools or yet to get an admission into B school because उनको लगता है this is the end of the world.
Yeah.
Gen Z थोड़ी सी anxiety आ जाती है उनको. you know.
Yeah.
What's your piece of advice to them if they have not been able to get into a B school or get a call of
So
interview?
far, yeah. So I think the CMAT results are yet to come.
Right.
And if you have already taken the CAT, I would recommend apply to SIES. You will certainly get a call for a GDPI. If you've been anxious, then I'm going to say at least this will get you a check with where you are, how
Fight
you're
मार
faring.
सकते हैं.
Absolutely.
हाँ, fight मार सकते हैं, right.
And circling back to that first question, should I do an MBA? Should I do it this year? That's a question that comes every time.
Right.
So if the markets are really acting wobbly and you've completed your graduation, what are you really planning to do? So might as well invest these 2 years in a proper MBA program, get all the exposure that you can and get ready for industry in another year and a half, 2 years.
Fantastic.
So apply because you'll get a call. It's a great rain check on where you really stand.
Right.
And then make a decision.
Any deadline, ma'am, from your side?
So 23rd February is the last day to apply here.
Like last?
Yeah, last.
Okay.
To apply over here. And then for CMAT CAT takers for them.
Right.
Now, if we get all our population in that, then we'll see what we have to do.
But मैं फिर मैं CD का बच्चा क्या करेगा फिर मेरा? Can
Yeah.
they fill up the form, update the score later? कुछ ऐसा है?
Yes. So those
nice.
are planning to, which is why I said, those
Okay.
are planning to take the CET. Since I'm going to call everybody irrespective of their percentile, if you apply, you get a call for GDPI. So therefore, what I'm going to say is you apply, come and give your GDPI, and then when the results are out, you can punch in your scores.
Right.
So whatever weightage is there for the entrance test will get added to your score. And then you get a call or you get a seat or you don't.
Perfect, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving some time.
Thank
I
you.
think we touched base everything that student wanted to ask.
All right.
And guys, I hope you loved this video. Kindly hit that like button and share this with your friends. Ma'am, thank you so much.
Thank you, Ketan.
Thank you, ma'am.